Hi folks, I'm Janet Hesselberth, and Merry Christmas! Believe it or not, Christmas is just around the corner, and I would like to show you how to make some handmade ornaments today. These are ornaments that are traditional to my family. My memories of making them with my family go way back. And so the first one that I'm going to show you is called origami boxes, although the original ones weren't origami. Strangely enough, through time they became origami, and they're really simple, just made out of paper. The second ornament I'm going to show you, we always called macaroni angels, and both of these projects are very, very kid-friendly. I'll give you some tips along the way to make them even more kid-friendly, but I hope that you can enjoy making these with your family and friends and make them a part of your traditions for the holidays. Let's get started.